Prachi, and in today's video I'll be talking about hair growth and how to use ginger for hair growth. Now very honestly guys, I had heard about ginger a lot of times in the past. I had read about ginger for hair growth a lot of times in the past. But only very recently, I mean, I don't know if you know about this or not, but a lot of YouTubers have suddenly been talking about ginger, and when I saw those people, I started seeing these videos. I was like, you know what, let me try out ginger as well and let me see if it actually works. So I tried out ginger for hair growth and then I modified the recipes that I learned about online myself. And in today's video, I'll just be sharing my own version of the ginger hair oiling hair mask recipe. Also in this video, I'll show you how to massage your hair for maximum hair growth. So yes, without further ado, let's look at this recipe and let's get started. So this DIY is done in 2 steps. For the first step, you will need some amla juice and of course you'll need some ginger. Now you can also make your own amla juice at home, by grating it and extracting the juice. Or you can use ready-made juice. Like I'm using this Patanjali amla juice because it's really affordable and it just saves so much of time to use a ready-made juice like this one. So amla juice and ginger. So I've already grated the ginger as you can see. Now we'll be just extracting the juice and mixing it with the amla juice. So let me show you how that is done. So just press down the grated ginger and pour out the juice. So as you can see guys, you must have collected about 1 spoon of ginger juice, and to this we'll be adding about 4 spoons of amla juice, and this is what the formula looks like. Now dip some cotton in this juice, squeeze out the excess and apply this on your scalp. You will need to do this about 5 hours before shampoo. For the next step, you will need some castor oil and some bhringraj oil. Castor oil will help in growing new hair from the roots, so it will give you thicker hair, stronger hair. And with bhringraj oil, first of all, please try to use the Baidyanath bhringraj oil. I'm really sorry that my bottle is looking like this. I've been using it for a while myself, so it's kind of got a bit dirty. But I hope you get an idea. The Baidyanath Mahabhringraj oil is one of the best in the market. It works really well. It also helps in controlling hair fall, Also, once again, we will need some ginger. And this time you need to cut them in a few thin slices. So take the ginger slices in a little bowl. And to this we'll add 3 teaspoons of the castor oil. And then 3 teaspoons of the bhringraj oil. And heat this over a slow flame for about 30 seconds. In about 30 seconds, you'll start seeing a foam-like thing forming. So that's when you turn off the gas and allow your mixture to cool for about half an hour. And now we are going to apply this oil on our scalp. One very important thing that I want to mention is that you need to apply this oil 2 hours after applying the juice. Okay, so you apply the juice, after 2 hours you apply this, and then after 3 hours you shampoo your hair. So we'll just take a ginger slice like this, and then we'll just rub this ginger slice on our scalp. Once you're done applying the oil on your scalp, you can also apply it on the lengths of your hair. And then wash everything off after 3 hours. So guys, that was a ginger hair oiling recipe and hair oiling style that I want to discuss with you all. Let me know in the comment section below if you have used ginger for hair growth or if you have used any of the similar oils in your own DIYs. And just feel free to comment in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to share your feedback because your feedbacks really matter a lot to me. It really helps my channel guys when you share your feedback. So share your feedback, hit like, comment, share and keep coming back for more. Thank you so much for watching guys. This is me Prachi signing off now. Bye bye.